Just another quick tip to help you navigate Edge, our platform. So if you scroll down, this is everything that we have to offer in Edge. All our training for all our feasibility applications is housed here with different sections. If you've got access to the property development system as well, then that'll show up here. If you haven't got access to anything, then it will just show up with the normal free sections that are available. So just to give you a little quick tip, so there's a little keyboard icon right at the bottom. So if you scroll all the way down, so if you click on that, and that'll give you shortcuts to navigate through the Lead Developer Edge platform so that you can quickly access different sections. So for example, let's say you are in 1 Minute Feasibility and you quickly want to get back to the home page, click on the home. Your home button is the most used button. I use it all the time because I like this easy way of navigating, so I can see, okay, I'm doing the 7-day challenge right now, so I'll go into the cornerstones and start working on the cornerstone section, and so on. So or you can also go into 1 Minute Feasibility and then select and jump to another section. So let's say you want to now look at Smart Feasibility Calculator and go through the training for that. So you can click on that and go straight to it. Every one of these is a link. So if you click on Feasibility Suite, it will take you to the main page of the Feasibility Suite. And from there, you can jump on to 1 Minute Feasibility, for example. And then again, select that and turn to Smart RIA, for example. Another quick thing that you can do is that we have this little plus sign. So if you click on that plus sign, you can create your own little section, and I'll call it My Section. And select the different icon. Let's say whatever the icon is, I don't know, let's select ambulance, and I will just call it AMB, and we'll put the name of the website here. I'll add another link, maybe call it, let's say I'm doing 1 Minute Feasibility, I'll just call it 1MF, which is my shortcut to quickly navigate to that area within Edge, and I'll click save. So you'll see that my section here, AMB, if I click on it, it'll take me to the main website because that's the link that I just created. And this is my section right here. So I can go to 1 Minute Feasibility. If I click on it, it'll quickly jump to that. So you can create that. This is basically, it will only show up in your particular instance in your account. It won't show up everywhere else. So this is so that you can navigate this area easily. So I still feel that clicking on the home button and coming back here is a much better way to navigate it. But this is a little tip for you to navigate across Edge.